Use a smoker barbecue. Smoking is a commonly used way of cooking meat. The end product of this process is barbecued meat, a dish that is very popular to almost all generations all over the world. What makes barbecued meat very tasty is the smoke that pervades in the meat, creating its characteristic smoky taste. Nowadays, eating barbecued meat is not only restricted to restaurants. In fact, you can barbecue meat yourself using a very easy process of smoking. All you need is a smoker, charcoal and cut meat, and you are good to go. Here is how to use a smoker barbecue. Prepare all materials need. You will need your smoker barbecue, meat, and charcoal. For the meat, you can have it marinated or brand. Usually, you marinate it for more than half a day with barbecue sauce and salt. As for the charcoal, you can also use wood chips. Take note, however, that not all wood chips can be used, as some can overly char the meat, leading to a bitter flavor. It is best to buy chips that are specifically used for smoking. Set up the smoker. The smoker has three parts: the lid, which covers the grill itself where you place the meat, and the firebox where you place the charcoal. On a corner of the grill, place an aluminum pan. Add a small amount of water so that there is still moisture as you smoke the meat. This pan will also catch the droplets, originally the meat juices, that will fall from the lid. Add the charcoal or wood chips in the firebox. Take note that for wood chips, you will need to soak them with water for 30 minutes prior to adding them in the firebox. After adding the fire inducers, you light them with a match or a lighter to start the fire. Wait for a while until the top layer of the fire inducer, charcoal/wood chips, is already red. Place the meat to the grill. When the firebox is hot enough, you add the meat to the grill. Roll the meat over once in a while to ensure even cooking of both sides of the meat. You can also dab barbecue sauce on the meat using a brush as you smoke it. Usually it takes as much as 30 minutes to fully cook a portion of meat. However, this can vary depending on the thickness of the meat. You can check if it is already cooked by measuring the internal temperature of the meat. It should be around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Add more charcoal or wood chips. Since the fire inducers can already be charred or completely used up, it is best to add charcoal every hour to keep the fire going. Place the barbecued meat in a pan. After smoking the meat, you can place it in a pan ready for serving. Clean up. After finishing all the meat you have prepared, you let the charcoal cool down for about an hour. Dispose them afterwards, then clean the smoker barbecue equipment. Now that you know how to use a smoker barbecue, go to the market and buy all the materials needed. Start smoking and be prepared for your neighbors to join you for dinner. Surely, no one can resist the aroma coming from the barbecued meat.